Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming basics so you don't waste time chasing ghosts. Make sure your phone is on a working Wi-Fi or mobile connection, then restart it. A reboot clears temp issues. Once done, go to Settings, Apps, and find Google Play Store to inspect its status. Also check storage and battery level. Low space or critical power can stop background processes. This prepares you for targeted fixes rather than generic guesses. Now you perform the core repair actions. Force stop the Play Store, clear its cache, then clear data or storage so corrupt files are removed. Next, do the same for Google Play Services and the Download Manager because they coordinate installs and updates. Make sure your system time is accurate. Time mismatch breaks authentication. If the problem began after an update, uninstall Play Store updates to revert to a stable version and then try opening it again. If earlier steps fail, remove your Google account from Accounts, restart, then re-add it so authentication tokens refresh. Once re-added, sync account settings. Next, update Google Play Store, Play Services, and the Android system to ensure compatibility. If nothing works, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort. This eliminates deep software corruption. Troubleshooting tip: if Play still won't run, check for device-wide parental controls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.